Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is an eyebrow tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys the things that we will need. We will need a brow tamer. I like to use a lash glue, a clear lash glue, a concealer brush, a blending brush for the concealer, a fluffy brush to apply the powder after the concealer, and a very sharp brow pencil. You guys, emphasis on sharp. We'll also need a concealer that you use to clean up your brows, my dirty spoolie. Now to the process. We're going to be applying the lash glue on the brows to just tame it and make it stay up, especially if you have stubborn brow hairs and your skin is oily. This thing remains that way from morning till night. Now look at the difference in the first brow and the second brow. The brows are tamed and it is so beautiful. I'm doing the same thing to the second brows.
There's a piece of me who lives when you're gone, because you're sent from heaven. I want to be the one who you believe in your heart, yeah.
Can you guys see the difference? Just look at how the brows are tamed and they are so beautiful. Now we'll be using the brow pencil to outline the brows that we have tamed, and it already has a shape. That is the exact essence of taming your brows if you want fluffy and beautiful brows. Just trace the brow hairs. You don't need to overdraw what you're seeing there. Just follow the brow hairs strictly and your brows will come out very beautifully. Now before I draw the second brows, I told you sharp pencils are very important. That was just me sharpening my pencil, and now I'm just outlining the second brows just to also give it a very beautiful look. You guys just watch and learn. You guys, I need to show you something very important. Now look at those brows, those places that are scanty in the brows. Those are the only parts of the brows that we are going to be filling. You don't have to fill every single thing, especially if you're going for fluffy soft brows. Can you see how I'm just filling the brow hairs to those sparse areas? I'm just filling the brow hairs and it's just coming out so beautiful. You guys, I've said beautiful so much in this video, but literally these brows are so beautiful. I am also filling in the brow hairs of the second brows and they look gorgeous. You guys, just check out the brows. See now, it shook. Now I'm going to be taking the concealer brush and some concealers to conceal the brows. When you are concealing your brows, just ensure that you're very careful and you take your time. When you're also concealing your brows, don't just draw a straight line of concealer. Try and conceal and drag it down at the same time. That way when the concealer dries down, it's very easy to blend and you have flawless looking brows. I want you to watch the way I'm doing these brows. I'm dragging the brows and I'm blending the brows rather, and I'm also dragging it down. That's like the easy way. Now you're going to take your now I'm taking my concealer brush again. The brows are not looking very equal, so I just use my brush to kind of adjust that. Now I'm taking a blending brush to just blend the brows. It is important to note that when you are blending your brows, you do not need to drag, just tap and rub. Does that make sense? Just like rub it in a circular motion. Don't like over rub it. If you see, I'm not holding the concealer brush so tightly. I'm holding it very light-handedly, just kind of like rub in a circular motion, and then you won't clean your concealer. Now I'm taking that fluffy brush I showed in the beginning to apply that powder from Zigel Cosmetics palette, and I'm just applying it on the brows. You guys, that pretty much sums up your fluffy brows. I hope you guys learned a thing or two. Please drop a comment if you did. I'll see you in my next video.